Best breakfast recipes for weight loss. The foods that we eat and drink can often be a tough area of our lives to get control over. The best we can do is try to make sure we're eating well, staying active, and drinking enough water. Creating a healthy balance between these three things will help us maintain a healthy weight, which in turn will lead to better health for us too. The best recipes for weight loss breakfast are the ones that provide you with all the protein, carbs, and fats that you need to stay satisfied and energized. Here are some healthy breakfast recipes that will help you lose weight. The article link is in the description to learn more about healthy breakfast recipes for weight loss.